I'm going to be telling you all tuple in Python. So let's get started. So let's make a tuple. Tuple equals. So let's use first numbers. Let's take a big number over here. Not that big. That's gone pretty big. So let's remove this extra 5 and let's remove this extra column. Now you can see nothing will happen in the terminal. Let's delete my old terminal. Now let's run this. You can see nothing happened, but if we write print tuple, now run it, you can see each and every single value is printed. Now let's get on the text thing. So let's just comment this all out. Now let's use text tuple equals. Everything is same, just you have to use quotations like a comma b comma quotation c comma quotation d comma quotation. Now you can see we have done it. Sorry, print. You can see everything which was in this text tuple is printed. But important note for everyone who is watching this video is you can't you can't change the value tuple, but you can change it in lists. So I hope you all understood this thing. So if you want, you can just read this all. So I'll meet you all in the next video.